Bumblebees. Honeybee. 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 They've been stuck in honeybee, 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 honeybee. That's cool. Yeah, they've been stuck in the last few days. We're just getting warm out here. You stay in there? Yeah, that sun's hot. Hey, you know what I think we're gonna do today? I think we're gonna see if we can find some laying queens and maybe put green dots on them. And we maybe will check that one. I have no idea if it's been long enough or not, and it didn't really matter. That's what you want to do. That's the coolest part about it when it's your bees. Doesn't matter. If you want to do it, you can do it. I was watching videos this morning again. I like to see how other people keep their bees. That's a nice looking bumblebees. A lot of bumblebees this year. I like that. I like bumblebees. I like bumblebees probably in some ways more than I like honeybees. I've only ever been stung by a bumblebee once in my life. That was as a child on the farm. And you really gotta pester them to get them to sting you usually. Yeah, we got out here and cleaned stuff up some. It was bugging me. I don't mind letting it grow and stuff for the bees, but when I walk through it, you know, the long dandelions on my shoes, they don't like it. So we mowed, and we mowed. Ooh, they're having a good morning. That's nice. I like it. I like it when they have good mornings. Oh, look at the flight path. I hope the camera picks it up. That's kind of cool. Fall over into a tree. Yeah, that's what I like. And then the freeway going by. We got one day of pretty hard rain, and then another day of kind of rain. They're probably down here looking for a bite. That's something I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put out some syrup. Last time I gave them some, what was it? I don't know if you guys have seen that one yet. Pretty much got about a week of videos ahead of me. One thing I'm gonna do, I don't like crows, they're noisy. One thing I'm gonna do is get out and pick blackberries, I know that much. We're gonna get hot again, so it'll dry them all out. And I want to pick them before they get that way. And that one had a bunch of the little blackberry hairs on it. No, that's better. But yeah, we're gonna give the big colonies a little bit of thin open feed. We're gonna go through all of the, I might check all of the attempts at making queens. So far we've been doing pretty good. It'd be really cool if all of them come back. That would be awesome. I think the 2 fails that I had was more me not picking a good frame than actual full-on fails. I've had plenty so far that I thought were fails that weren't. Wonder if they've brought in much yet. Little container that I put stuff in is almost full. Wow. And that'd be mostly this morning. Like I said, it's been raining. That's awesome. Yeah, see, they're still finding a little bit of blackberry somewhere. It looks like we... Yeah, see, that was one thing I was concerned about with it raining. It's real damp. So, need to get it out of there quick. Let me go get my container and we'll look through that. Let's see, where is that? Yeah. Yeah, it's real damp. That's good. So you can see the different colors. I don't know, the light gray, there's a little bit, is blackberry, I'm pretty sure, because that's what I see when my blackberries are in bloom. I don't know what this darker stuff is. There's two types. It's kind of a darker, I'd say brown, and then there's a little bit of very dark gray. Most of it's probably brassica or dandelion, but yeah. Yeah. Not bad for the last 2 days. They've been mostly shut in. Probably took about that much out of there yesterday, and it rained most of the day yesterday. I think my trees help a lot. I think it shelters a lot of shrubbery underneath it so it don't get rained out as hard. Yeah, I'll show you how much I've gotten so far. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you how much they've collected so far. 3 days, pretty much. 4 days. Probably 2 of those days were halfway decent days. Pretty good amount. Well, yeah, I'd say 3 days of good collection. 1 day of good, nice, sunny, full-on day. So that's not too bad. Man, when I used it the first time, I might get that much in 1 day. It was amazing. But when I did that, it was also during blackberry time. There's a lot of pollen when there's blackberry time. Okay. Not too shabby. Oh, what is that? And there I decided to refilm part of it for you, because when I was putting it together, I was seeing that, yeah, I didn't even have the camera very good. Now, the one thing you have to concern yourself with when collecting pollen at least from what I've seen, is it's very damp. So until you dry it, you need to keep it in the freezer. Now you can kind of see some of the different colors. There's kind of some dark gray and some dark brown. There's the darker orange, lighter orange, then kind of the yellow. Need to get me a little scale or something, but I'll bet there's probably $40–50 of pollen right there retail. Sure got the lid on. But there you go. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.